Ooh, it's time for another spelling test. Now this test is going to be so hard. Okay, I want you to pause this video and go get a pen and a paper. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 words that I want you to try to spell. Okay, then after that, I'll give you the right answers. Okay, are you ready for the first word? Here we go. Colonel. Colonel. A colonel is a high-ranking military officer. Okay, look at all these medals here. Okay, it means he's very high up in the ranks. Okay, his title is a colonel. Colonel. Okay, ready for the next word? The next word is rouge. Rouge. This woman is putting rouge on her cheeks. Okay, rouge. The next word is handkerchief. Handkerchief. Okay, this is called a handkerchief. You could use a handkerchief to blow your nose, or you could use a handkerchief to tie around your face if it's really dusty outside, or you could use a handkerchief for style. If you're wearing a suit, you could put a handkerchief in your pocket to have good style. Okay, handkerchief. The next word is gauge. Gauge. This is called a rain gauge. Okay, it measures how much rain has fallen. Okay, gauge. The next word is ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. If you write and eat with your right hand, then you're called right-handed. But if you write and eat with your left hand, then you're called left-handed. But if you can use either one, then you're ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. Okay, the next word is amphibian. Amphibian. Okay, this is a frog. Now, a frog is an amphibian. It means that it can live in the water or it can live on land. Okay, so amphibians can breathe underwater and on land. That's amazing. Okay, amphibian. Ooh, this is such a hard word. If you can get this word right, I want you to stop watching Mad English TV forever because your English is too good. Okay, it's too good. This word is aardvark. Aardvark. This animal is called an aardvark. It lives in Africa and it eats very small insects. And this animal is nocturnal. Nocturnal. That means it lives at night and it sleeps in the day. Just like me. I'm nocturnal. And look at its big ears. Wow. I have big ears. I'm an aardvark. Okay, the next word is bologna. Bologna. This is a bologna sandwich. This meat here is called bologna. It's like a sausage. Okay, a sausage is a long piece of cured meat. Cured means like it's salted and preserved. It won't rot. Okay, normal meat, if you leave it out of the fridge, it's going to rot. It'll go bad. But this meat actually stays good for a long time. Okay, so it's cured. It's a sausage, sort of like salami, pepperoni, bologna. They're all different kinds of sausages. Okay, so bologna. Now the next word is boy or buoy. Boy or buoy. You can pronounce it either way. Okay, these things in the water are buoys or buoys. Now, why are they there? Well, they're there to signal something. Okay, maybe you're allowed to swim over here, but you can't swim over there. It's too dangerous. Okay, so these boys are telling you that you can't swim over there. Okay, maybe that's why they're there. I'm not sure. Okay, so boy or buoy. Okay, the last word is leopard. Leopard. This animal is called a leopard. Okay, I'm going to give you the answers. Are you ready? Here we go. Colonel. Colonel. Now, this word is so funny. There's no R in here. It looks like it's colonel. Colonel, okay? It's colonel. That's just bizarre. Okay, English doesn't make any sense. Okay, the next word is rouge. Rouge. R-O-U-G-E. Very hard word. Next is handkerchief. 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 Okay, with this D and the K, they sort of disappear and it becomes handkerchief. Handkerchief. Okay, the next word is gauge. Rain gauge. G-A-U-G-E. Gauge. That's a very hard word to spell. Okay, the next word is ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. Did you get it right? It's a very hard word as well. Ambidextrous. Did you know what ambidextrous meant before I told you? Maybe not. It's a very big word, and it's a very advanced English word. Okay, the next one is amphibian. Amphibian. Now the PH, make the F sound. F. Amphibian. Okay, the next one is aardvark. Did you get 2 A's at the beginning? Look at that, that's crazy. 2 A's. Aardvark. If you got that, I am really impressed. Okay, the next one is baloney. Baloney. Look at that. Bologna. Bologna, okay, but it's not pronounced Bologna, it's pronounced bologna. A bologna sandwich. Okay, the next one is boy or buoy. B-U-O-Y. Very hard word to spell. Okay, the last one is leopard. Leopard. It looks like it should be leopard. The O is silent, so it's just leopard. Leopard. Okay, I want you to tell me, how many words did you get right? If you got 1 word right, your English is amazing. And if you got 0 words right, your English is so good. Okay, so I want you to tell me how many words you got right down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.